Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can cancel click and collect on order. If you want to cancel click and collect an order on Screwfix, what you'll have to do is first thing first, you'll have to go to your web browser, and then on the web address you need to type in cancel click and collect order, and then you'll be provided with list of information on how you can actually do it, or you can go to the terms and condition as well. So I'm just gonna provide you with the link on how you can do it. You can just go ahead and contact the support team and state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So I'm just gonna provide you how you can actually contact them. So just type in how to cancel, and as you can see there's the article as can I cancel my click and collect order. Now if you want to cancel the order, you have to do a full refund and you need to contact the support team. So in order to contact them, you can just go to the link that says www.screwfix, that is help FAQ. Just go through the link and here you'll be provided with the list of articles on how you can actually do it. So that's basically how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.